Imagine this. You're walking into a room, and without saying a word, people feel drawn to you. They don't know why, but your presence is magnetic, calming, and uplifting. This is the power of an elevated aura, a glowing energy field that reflects your inner state. But how do we get there? Today, we're diving into 7 daily practices rooted in Stoicism that will transform your energy field and, therefore, your life. Let's unlock the secrets of your aura, step by step. Segment 1. Aura Cleansing and Purification. Think of your aura as a mirror. Over time, dust and smudges, negative energy, and emotions build up. Without regular cleaning, the reflection becomes dull. But what if you could restore its brilliance? Start with this simple technique. Close your eyes. Picture a golden waterfall of light cascading over you, washing away every worry, every ounce of negativity. Feel lighter yet? That's the first step. But here's the twist: cleansing isn't just about removal. It's about replacing what you've released. Fill that space with gratitude. Forgive the lingering anger or resentment. When you let go, your aura begins to shine brighter. Try this. Light a smudge stick. Wave it gently around your body and visualize the smoke carrying away all that doesn't serve you. One viewer once said this daily practice turned her sleepless nights into peaceful dreams. Could this be your story too? Visualization and meditation amplify this effect. Imagine your aura expanding with each breath, glowing with vibrant colors. Gratitude and forgiveness are your secret tools to purify your energy field. Each step cleanses and elevates your presence. Segment 2. Daily Practices for Aura Elevation. Here's a story. A man felt stuck, weighed down by negativity. But instead of succumbing, he decided to act. Each day, he grounded himself barefoot on the grass, reconnecting with the earth's energy. He visualized his aura, a vibrant shield of positivity, and repeated affirmations like, "I am radiant. I am aligned." Weeks later, he noticed the change, not just in himself, but in how others responded to him. So here's your challenge. Ground yourself. Visualize your energy. Speak life into your aura. The results might surprise you. Create a ritual. Begin your morning by standing tall, visualizing golden roots anchoring you to the earth. Speak your affirmations with conviction. These small but consistent acts shape a powerful, glowing energy field around you. Segment 3. Boosting your aura's vibrational frequency. But what happens when life feels heavy? When negativity seems inescapable? This is where your lifestyle steps in. Eat vibrant, nourishing foods. Drink water that refreshes your soul. Sleep, because even your aura needs rest. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and activities that ignite your joy. One viewer wrote to us, sharing how a simple change, spending time in nature and eating colorful, fresh meals, transformed her energy. Her aura went from murky to magnetic. What's stopping you from trying? Moreover, movement helps. Yoga, dancing, or even a walk can realign your vibrational frequency. Engage in what makes you feel alive. Notice the ripple effect it creates in your energy field and interactions. Segment 4. Maintaining a high vibrational aura. Here's a secret. Elevating your aura is one thing. Maintaining it? That's the real challenge. And it starts with awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts. Are they uplifting or draining? Practice self-care, not just the occasional spa day, but daily moments that fill your cup. Self-awareness is a game changer. Catch negative thoughts, pause, and replace them with affirmations. Journal your feelings. Prioritize activities that spark joy and connection. These moments aren't just self-care, they're aura care. We'd love to hear your journey. What's one thing you're excited to implement? Let's inspire each other in the comments. Segment 5. Aura colors and their meanings. Now, let's decode the colors of your aura. Each shade carries a story. Red, vitality and passion. Orange, creativity and joy. Yellow, confidence and intellect. Green, healing and balance. Blue, calm and communication. Indigo, intuition and spiritual depth. Violet, wisdom and higher connection. Picture a glowing green light at your heart chakra. Feel its energy of love and healing. What color resonates with you today? Share your thoughts below. Each color ties to a chakra, a gateway to specific emotions and energies. Visualize these hues within you, aligning your body and spirit. Understand their influence, and you'll decode the language of your aura. Segment 6. Aura reading techniques. Curious about your aura? Try this. Sit in front of a mirror in soft lighting. Relax. Focus on the space around your reflection. Notice any colors or sensations. One viewer described seeing a faint blue glow after a stressful week, a sign of emotional clarity returning. What might your aura reveal about you? For beginners, hold your hand against a plain background. Observe the edges. With practice, you'll start noticing shifts. Your intuition becomes your guide in interpreting these signs. Segment 7. Aura affirmations for transformation. Here's where the magic happens. Affirmations. Short, powerful statements that reprogram your energy. Say this with me. I radiate positivity. I attract abundance. My energy is pure and aligned. But don't stop there. Personalize them. If calmness is your goal, try my energy flows peacefully. Repeat them daily. Watch your aura transform. Pair affirmations with visualization. Imagine their words lighting up your aura, layer by layer. This practice is more than repetition. It's an act of creation, one thought at a time. And last, applying the Stoic way. The Stoic way teaches us that transformation starts within. By cleansing, elevating, and maintaining your aura, you're not just changing yourself, you're transforming how the world experiences you. Now it's your turn. Which practice will you start today? Comment below. And remember, this journey doesn't end here. Subscribe to our channel for more insights. Watch the video on screen now to dive deeper into the Stoic way of life. Until next time, stay radiant and aligned.